Happy Sunday, Amadino. I choose to respond to you with a video and not just responding to you by, typing. You said you're not surprised that I'm fighting back, but you're not sure if I'm the owner or the handler of that account. Well, for who cares to listen, I am DAYO AMUSA, and I am the owner and the handler of that account. DAYO AMUSA. Utuge. Read my lips. Utuge. Gone are the days.
DAYO AMUSA ó ti jáde ó ké gbàjarè síta o lórí bí wọ́n ṣe ń búlì rẹ̀ online. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa arábìnrin yìí ó bínú tán ó sọ̀rọ̀ padà. Ẹ mọ̀ wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn òṣèré wọn kì í sọ̀rọ̀ padà tí wọ́n bá ti búlì wọn, ṣùgbọ́n arábìnrin yìí ó sọ tirẹ̀ padà. Ẹ̀yin tèmi òkòrò kágbọ̀n ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu arábìnrin DAYO AMUSA bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí bí ó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ àti nǹkan tó tẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan. Ó ti yá.
You people will start coming after, public figures, as if they are the problem. They are everybody has choices. Everybody has choices. You understand? And I have said it before and I'm repeating myself again. If you want to fight dirty, I will go that route with you. Maba efiara year or four. I just from our back to back. A4 for A4, ila for ila, ora for ora. You get my point? We all are Nigerians. We all are responsible for everything ongoing in Nigeria. And guess what? In tó bá ti mú ẹ, tí o bá ti lè lọ gbé ìyá ẹ àti bàbá ẹ ṣépè nílé for failing you. Tó bá ti lè lọ bú ìyá ẹ àti bàbá ẹ nílé, for opening their eyes. This problem Nigeria tó fi débi tó dé yìí. Kó tó bí àwa níṣòro Nigeria àti wà lẹ́ nǹkan tó bá ti lè mú ẹ tó bá ti lè jí láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù kó lọ gbé ìyá ẹ àti bàbá ẹ ṣépè. Wípé wọ́n fail ẹ. What were they doing? Níbo náà wà? At their prime time, kí náà ṣe kí Nigeria tó débi tó dé yìí. If you cannot curse your parents, don't come cursing on my page. If you do, màá rán ẹ sí ìyá ẹ, màá rán ẹ sí bàbá ẹ, màá rán ẹ sí olórí ẹbí ilé yín. Enough is enough.